You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 99 over 148. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Break up the fraction. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 33 over 5 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 15 over 148. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 99 over 148.